Sitaram Yechury, General Secretary of Communist Party of India Marxist, stated on Monday that the age limit of the Central Committee members will be reduced from 80 to 75. This decision was taken unanimously in the Central Committee meeting conducted on Monday. But leaders like Pinarayi Vijayan were given special consideration considering the fact that he is the current CM of Kerala, said Yechury during a press meet. He said that those elder leaders who are serving in the post like Chief Minister will be exempted from the new change. Further clarifications regarding the relaxations of the novel rule and related decisions would be decided later, said the leader. In the upcoming Kannur Party Congress meeting, the new rule will be introduced. The changes would also be implemented in the state-level committees as well. He added that the matters related to the new change can be altered by the respective allies. The committee has directed the state committees to elect new members who are under 60. The matter regarding KK Shailaja, the former Health Minister of Kerala, being omitted from the new Council of Ministers was brought up by representatives of other states and expressed their discontent to it as well. The representatives from Kerala justified the move to be a strategic decision. The party won the election with historic lead because of the new initiative of introducing new faces in the place of old familiar faces. It benefited the win, said the committee members. The meeting also analyzed the party's terrible loss at the West Bengal elections, where they did not even win a single seat. After 1964, it was the first time in its history that the party had witnessed such a loss. The committee has provided ideal advice to the state committees to rectify their shortcomings for the future elections. The Bengal State Committee will be conducting a meeting to discuss the matter soon. News Desk, Kaumudy English.